can't dance. Okay, I can, but I have to really get, I don't know, I'm not good at it. So hello, welcome and welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Cate Sonia. Yeah, and in this channel I talk about hair, I talk about DIY hair care, I talk about wellness, yes, pretty much about everything. And you know what, I'll be very happy if you decide to tap that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss any of my videos. Yes, it will be a joy to have you here. Yeah, as you can see today, I have a very beautiful wig. Yes, this I really wanted to do this wig, and the first time I did it, I used a very quality, a low quality cap, of which I'm going to put it somewhere in this video. I've talked about it somewhere. So let's talk, let's see, let's keep watching and see how I achieved this look. Yes, yeah, I love it. How do you like it, guys? How do you like it? Be sure to hit that thumbs up or like this video. Comment down there, give me your thoughts about it. What more would you like to see, and I'll be happy to provide it to you. Yeah, I know you're curious about my earrings. Just kidding, but I just wanted to mention where I got my earrings. Yeah, I got these earrings from J Jewelries on Facebook page, on Facebook that is. Yeah, and yeah, the lady I'm talking about, she's called Naomi Kizama. She's a friend of mine. She's also a YouTuber. Check her YouTube channel out. Yeah, and she sells amazing pieces, amazing pieces at a very affordable and reasonable price. Yes, because you'll get quality, and also your pocket, you don't have to go and break a bank. Yeah, so get to check her page out. She's J Jewelries on Facebook. On Instagram, she is Miss Kizama, and her Instagram account for business is jewelicious _ something. I'll put it somewhere in the description box. Yeah, because I'm in love with these earrings. Do you? So without further ado, let's get into this video. Yeah, keep watching. So we need a wig cap, which is a base for our wig. Yes, and this is the best quality, and this is what I can recommend. And we will also be needing crochet needles. We will be using 2 of them, as you will see. We will also need pins to support our wig cap on the mannequin head. Yes. Yeah, and the hair that I'm going to use, you can use cerise or any hair of your choice, kinky hair, but this is cerise. I had bought it some time back, but I didn't use it. Now this one is the spring twist by Darling. I used it to make spring twist, but I didn't stay in it for too long, so I kept it. And actually I didn't even use the cerise that I've showed you. Both of them, I bought them at the same time, but I never got to use all of them. So I used the spring twist by Darling. That is what I used, and it was even enough, more than enough. Yeah, so look at how I'm doing it. Put in the crochet needle, you put the hair, close the latch hook, close the latch hook and pull. It's so easy, like that, just like that. Put the crochet needle like that, and you put through like 4 holes. Don't just 1 hole, like 4 holes. Then put your hair, close the latch hook, then pull the hair, and that's it. Yeah, that's it. You see the spacing, you should be very keen about the spacing, because the spacing will determine how your wig looks at the back, too bulky or natural, and just the look that you're going for. That's what you get with this. If you want your wig to be so full, yeah, you put it so closely together. And now the second line, you ensure that the spaces that you had left on the first line, they have been closed like that. Sorry, they have been closed. So like now the second line, the hair, you should aim at the hair coming now at the space that you are leaving. in the first line so that the hair falls in between the spaces. Yes, yeah, you will see what I'm talking about. Like that. You see, my second line hair is falling in between the spaces, so it closes the gaps, so your hair won't have spaces and all that. Yeah, keep on going, guys. Practice makes perfect. Don't give up on yourself. Yes, you can make yourself a wig. Yes, and yeah, you can't maybe know in one day. If you're lucky, you can, but for most of us, we have to keep practicing. So keep doing it and you will hack it. You will hack it, guys. Yeah, and you will realize when as I come to the front, you will realize the front and the back don't look alike. The back looks meshed like or something like, and it is stretching. So that's why I'm using the bigger needle. When I come to the front, I will change the needle and I will use the smaller needle, because the wig cap at the front is do I call it compact, but it has very small holes. It is firmer and it is not stretching as this back, yeah, as here. It is not like that. So that is why we will need to change our needle to cater for that, because if you use the bigger needle, it will tear the wig cap at the front. And also something else you realize, as I change my needle, I'm also changing the amount of hair that I'm taking with that needle, because if you take too much, it might ruin your needle. Yeah, it might break it down, and that is not what we want. So smaller hair, smaller needle, and the process is just the same. But now here the spacing is not too, you don't space a lot, you space closely together. Yeah, guys, I was going, this hair is very soft, by the way. If you want it to be, if you want to use kinky hair, yeah, you can use it. Go ahead and use it. It's according to your liking. Yeah, so keep watching. Yeah, and by the way, what I achieved with this is very natural look. Yes, that is what I was going for. And as I told you, I didn't fluff it out too much because I wanted it to be like a bantu knot out or a twist out that is messy, not too, yeah, that is messy. Yeah, so if you want to get the finer or a smoother look for the hair, go ahead and fluff it out more. Yeah, remove all the curls. Yeah, and we'll get the look that you want. For me, this is what I wanted. Yeah, and that is what I was going for. Yes, so after this, you trim it to your liking. Trim it as much as you want or as little as you want. For me, I didn't want to trim it too much because I wanted the shaggy look, as I said. Yeah, and if you want the hair to be so fine, as I said, fluff it out more. Fluff it out more. So again, don't go crazy with trimming, because you might trim more hair than you should, and when you put it starts showing. It gets bigger spaces at the back, so don't trim it as much when it is on the mannequin head. Yeah, but remove the excess hair. Yeah, and here we are. I love it. I ended up putting this is to put more security. This is a comb. Yeah, a wig comb, just to add security to the wig. Let's see how this goes. So that's the closer look of it. I love it. I love it so much. You can pull it as you desire to bring it to the front. Yeah, and yeah, if you want to, yeah, you trim the wig as you desire, according to the length that you want, according to the look that you're going for. Oh, sorry, I'm not looking at you. Okay, you trim the wig according to the way you want it to be, according to your style, according to the style that you want to achieve according to your liking. And for me, I wanted this. I didn't want it to look more of a smooth end. I wanted to look a bit shaggy for it to mimic a natural, like two knots out, or a twist out that is not so, that is messy, let me say so. So I wanted to achieve this messy or shaggy Afro wig look, and I feel like I have achieved it, you see. For me, this is bomb. This is bomb, 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 bomb. Yeah, this is the closer look of how it looks. A closer look. Yeah. Comment down there, guys, and tell me how it looks. Did I hate or did I miss? There is no perforations, or what do I call them? Someone can't see the cap. Yeah, the black cap. So the hair has covered everything. It's light because I really tried to space and to make sure that it doesn't show. So thank you for watching, guys, and I keep it here. Be sure to like, to comment, and to subscribe and share, and do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you do not miss any of my videos. I really appreciate you. Yeah, until next time, bye.